Good afternoon. Good day pala, sorry. Here's another video. I'm gonna show you how to use Opera Mini 5 or OM5 on my phone T23 Duo. To use this, just go to menu, then Pinoy or My Pinoy, then My Java. Tapos pag nasa My Java na kayo, punta lang kayo ng Java. Sa loob ng Java, like what I'm saying to all my videos, that this you can see all the applications that you installed to your phone on Java. Syempre, it's under ng My Pinoy, then My Java, and then the list of the applications that you installed to your phone. And then look for the Opera Mini 5. Okay. Pag nakita nyo na yung application na bubuksan nyo, is just touch it. Total naman ang my phone ay touchscreen, then launch it. As you can see, maglo-load na yan. And then, kasi yung na-download ko ay Opera Mini 5.1 Turbo for Globe. And then, meron dyan, save configuration, manual configuration, and then the OK. Kasi na-configure ko naman na siya, just go to the OK para makapasok na tayo sa surface ng Opera Mini 5.1 Turbo for Globe. As you can see, naglo-load siya. Syempre, before tayo makapasok sa interface, mag-load yan like the other application. And, kindly wait lang ng konti para magamit natin siya ng maayos. Opera Mini 5.1, ayan, nandito na tayo sa loob ng Opera Mini 5.1. Opera Mini 5.1 Turbo is better than 4.2 kasi using 5.1 you have a lot of options like copy, paste, save images, and so on and so forth. If all you have to do is just hold nyo lang yung screen, touch nyo lang siya ng medyo matagal, then lalabas yung mga options like copy and then paste and so on and so forth. Marami rin siyang mga options like 4.2, yun nga lang mas organized ang 5.1 like this one. Yan, makikita nyo yung bookmarks, histories, save pages, and so on and so forth. Once na tinab nyo yung nasa ilalim niya, ngayon punta tayo sa bookmarks. Sa bookmarks, kakaiba rin kasi ina-arrange niya yung mga pages na na-bookmark nyo na sa inyong Opera Mini 5.1, ina-arrange niya yan alphabetically. Syempre, using Opera Mini 5.1, you can access the different web pages. Syempre, yun naman ang purpose nito. Different web pages, like subukan natin pumunta sa Twitter. Okay, connect natin. Ayan, medyo mabilis siyang mag-load. Compare natin sa 4.2 tsaka sa iba pang Opera Mini since ito nga ay turbo. So, compare natin sa connection ng iba, medyo mabilis mag-load yung Opera Mini 5.1 Turbo. Okay. Ayan. Mas malaki din yung nasasakop niya sa screen. Unlike sa 4.2, you cannot see all of the text minsan dun sa screen. Using 5.1 na Opera Mini for T23 Duo is medyo malaki. Nakikita natin siya lahat. Ayan. Yung ginagamit ko kasi in Twitter, you can see the pictures actually. And it's not an ordinary Twitter na page for mobile. Well, I'm gonna teach you how to use this kind of a Twitter or how to access this kind of a Twitter wherein you can see the photos. For example, like TweetPixie, kung sino man ang pinafollow nyo. Ayan. Makikita nyo yung mga photos nila dyan na tinweetpick nila. That. Diba? Ayan. So, the purpose of this video again is to show you that using your T23 Duo, I mean, you don't need an expensive phone to access the internet. T23 Duo is enough to access different web or websites or mobile sites. Syempre, it's for free. Syempre, using your T23 Duo and Globe Tattoo or Globe Prepaid SIM. The purpose of this video is to show you that ayun nga, you can access different websites for free using your T23 Duo and Globe Tattoo or Globe Prepaid SIM. Nga pala, if you want to follow me on Twitter, just go to www.twitter.com/ilovejessg. Again, it's www.twitter.com/ilovejessg. And marami pa akong video na ilalabas para sa inyo in the near future. Syempre, It's powered by T23 Duo and Globe. Thank you very much. I hope you had fun for watching this video.